What's up, guys? Just got back from doing a trade. You know, this is one of the best parts of the chainsaw hobby is finding these gems and turning them into something and hunting them down. You know, I got a strategy. I go buy a brand new saw. I put it on Marketplace for trade for older saws, project saws, broken saws, whatever. Well, I just traded a brand new Echo Timberwolf for these 4 saws I'm about to show y'all. And man, I'm telling you what, I'm excited. I'm pretty damn excited. So, I'll show you what I got. How do I turn this around? I don't know. I guess I'll do it this way. So, the first one, I'll show you the Johnson Red first. Can you see that? Oh man, I'm new to this. We might do some editing on this one. All right, I'm back. First one, Johnson Red 2054 Turbo. This saw right here is one of the fastest revving saws ever made, I believe. Said it's about 14,000 if I'm remembering right. RPMs, that is. She's pretty good shape. Missing a brake handle. I actually started this saw when I got it, but there's something going on with the trigger. It's not hooked up or something. I don't know. We'll figure it out. You already seen this one, so I gotta show you. Oh, this bad boy right here. Ooh, all right. Oh, Husqvarna 181 SE bow saw. He said he cut wood with it last year. Chain sharp. Missing a brake. Dirty as can be, but it's all there. That's gonna be fun. That's gonna be a full rebuild. Bearing seals, piston rings, piston, whatever it needs. All right, next one, another bow saw. Poulan Counter Vibe 3400 3.4. Poulan was actually the guy that invented the bow for use in the southeast on pulpwood, so you could stand up and cut. So this is a cool saw. It's a really cool saw. Guy said he didn't know much about it, but he has never gotten it to run. But once again, it is all there. I don't know what these little levers do, but hey, we'll figure it out. And last but not least, this old girl here. Oh my God, it's heavy. Oh. Remington 754 Super 88cc monster. And she turns over. This thing right here is cool, man. Looks like a 1950s spaceship car. I don't know, I can't wait to get that thing cleaned up and running. So, 88cc Remington, Poulan bow saw, Husqvarna 181 bow saw. That thing right there is going to be a beast. And a Johnson Red 2054, because I love my Johnson Reds. I haven't decided what I'm going to keep, what I'm going to sell. Probably going to sell this 181 and get my money back out of that Timberwolf plus some. And the rest of these will be free. Well, I'm going to go get these things unloaded and check them out.